Good morning, Rayma Road family. This is Miss Davis coming to you for Mindful Monday. And there's Harlem right there. He wanted to wave. So today for Mindful Monday, we are going to be taking a mindful walk. And I'm sorry, I'm not the best artist in the world. I tried to trace my Crocs, but it didn't quite work. Okay, so what is a mindful walk? A mindful walk is when we take time to walk and observe everything that is around us. And one of the great things about the situation that we're in is that the city of Charlotte still allows us to be able to walk outside and take advantage of some of the greenways that we have within the city. But even if you're not able to make it to some of the greenways, we can still walk in our neighborhood. And mindful walking just helps us take the time to get any worries or any frustration or stress off our minds, okay? And while we walk, we want to touch on the basic 5 human senses. So the first one we want to touch on is look. When you are doing a mindful walk, you want to be able to look and see what is all around you and in your neighborhood. You might find a butterfly, you might find a bird, you might see all kinds of things as you walk the greenways or as you walk the neighborhood. The next one we want to exercise is listening. So as we're walking, we could hear cars go by, we could hear the birds chirping, we might hear a siren from a fire truck. We want to just take the time as we walk to just listen to all of our surroundings. Next up, smell. As you're walking, you might smell the flowers, you might smell the food cooking from your favorite fast food restaurant. Again, you can smell anything. You might smell trash. Who knows? Just take the time as you're walking to observe some of the things that you smell in your neighborhood or on the greenways. Next up, this one might be a little tricky when you're walking, but taste. So I know for a fact, like when it's kind of early now, but when summertime gets a little bit closer, the honeysuckles come out. And so I know when I smell them, I can actually taste them because it reminds me of when I was a kid and me and my friends at school used to pick them and try to eat the syrup. So there might be some things that you taste. Maybe you have a snack with you. Just take the time to observe what you may taste, okay? And last but not least, take the time to touch. Touch maybe one of the flowers or the dandelions that you may find. Touch the grass or leaves. And just make sure that it's not anything crazy or poisonous. But, some kids I know, they like to catch frogs or lizards. And sometimes you might find those in your neighborhood or on the trail. So take the time to touch. And last but not least, this isn't part of the 5 senses, but this is just part of being mindful. Whatever it is that you may have going on, just let it go. Release and let it go. Remember to always breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. You can place your hands on your belly, and that will also help you be able to regulate how you breathe as well. So again, boys and girls, moms and dads, staff members, I just want you guys to remember that this Monday to make sure that you just let go, release, and if you get the opportunity to go outside while the weather is really nice and beautiful today, just take 5-10 minutes to just take a walk and get some fresh air and some beautiful sunshine. All right, so I will be coming back to you guys on Wednesday, and then we have spring break afterwards, so it'll be a little while before I see you guys, but I love you, and remember, just breathe. Okay, thanks. Bye bye.